In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get API key from Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. If you're searching for it manually, just look for the official Google AI Studio result and open that page. Once you're on the site, make sure you're in the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one account for work or personal projects. After the page loads, click on Google AI Studio to enter the workspace. From there, look for the key icon. This is the section where API keys are managed, and it's where you'll generate a new key for your project. When you arrive at the API keys page, click on Create API Key. This will begin the setup process for a new key. You'll then be asked to type in a name for the new key. Choose a name that helps you remember what the key is for, such as the app, website, or project where you plan to use it. Clear naming makes things much easier later if you create multiple keys. Next, choose an imported project. This connects the key to the correct project inside Google AI Studio, so be sure to select the one you want to work with. Once that's done, click on Create Key to finish generating it. After a moment, you'll be able to see the API key details on screen. This confirms that the key has been created successfully. You can also copy the key directly from this page, which is useful if you need to paste it into your application or development environment right away. As a quick reminder, treat your API key like a password. Store it securely and avoid sharing it publicly or including it in code that others can access. And that's it. You now know how to get an API key from Google AI Studio